Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. In this video, we will teach you essential vocabulary related to home and interior design. This video is perfect for beginner and intermediate English learners. So, stay with us and let's start learning. Living room.
Living room.
We watch TV in the living room. Bedroom.
Bedroom.
I sleep in my bedroom. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
She cooks dinner in the kitchen. Bathroom.
Bathroom.
He takes a shower in the bathroom. Dining room.
Dining room.
We eat meals in the dining room. Furniture.
Furniture.
The furniture in the living room is new. Sofa.
Sofa.
They sit on the sofa to relax. Coffee table.
Coffee table.
The coffee table is in front of the sofa. Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
The bookshelf is full of interesting books. Wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
She keeps her clothes in the wardrobe. Curtains.
Curtains.
The curtains in the bedroom are red. Rug.
Rug.
There is a rug under the coffee table. Carpet.
Carpet.
The carpet in the living room is very soft. Lamp.
Lamp.
The lamp on the desk helps me read at night. Mirror.
Mirror.
She looks at herself in the mirror. Picture frame.
Picture frame.
There is a family photo in the picture frame. Desk.
Desk.
I do my homework at the desk. Chair.
Chair.
There is a chair next to the desk. Cupboard.
Cupboard.
The cupboard is full of plates and glasses. Drawer.
Drawer.
The socks are in the top drawer. Chandelier.
Chandelier.
The chandelier in the dining room is beautiful. Wall clock.
Wall clock.
The wall clock shows the correct time. Pillow.
Pillow.
She sleeps with a soft pillow. Blanket.
Blanket.
He covers himself with a warm blanket. Mattress.
Mattress.
The mattress on the bed is very comfortable. Cushion.
Cushion.
There are 3 cushions on the sofa. Bedside table.
Bedside table.
She keeps her alarm clock on the bedside table. Shelf.
Shelf.
The shelf holds many books and toys. Blinds.
Blinds.
The blinds keep the sunlight out. Fireplace.
Fireplace.
They sit by the fireplace on cold evenings. Tile.
Tile.
The bathroom floor is covered with blue tiles. Door handle.
Door handle.
The door handle is made of brass. Doormat.
Doormat.
Please wipe your feet on the doormat before entering. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning new vocabulary with Wise Owl English Learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.